Hello, green thumbs and design lovers. Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, your ultimate destination for everything beautiful outside the home. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you have ever felt like your backyard or patio is missing that magical touch, you are in the right place. Today we are diving into the world of outdoor garden fountains, the ultimate feature to bring life, soothing sound, and breathtaking style to any green space. Whether you have a sprawling lawn or a cozy patio, stick around as we explore stunning fountain ideas that will completely redefine your outdoor experience. An outdoor garden fountain is a decorative water feature designed to enhance the beauty, atmosphere, and overall functionality of your landscape. Choosing to add a fountain to your garden goes beyond pure visual appeal. It brings a profound sensory transformation to your home. The gentle sound of trickling water acts as a natural noise blocker against street noise and daily urban commotion, creating a peaceful oasis right in your backyard. Furthermore, water features naturally attract birds and butterflies, boosting local biodiversity, while also serving as a striking focal point that increases your property's curb appeal and potential value. Outdoor fountains are a great addition to any landscape. From DIY to luxury, these top 10 outdoor garden fountain ideas will help you find the perfect water feature for your landscape. One, 3-tier outdoor fountain. A tiered fountain is an ideal focal point for a patio garden. In this Spanish-style courtyard, a white marble tiered fountain serves as the centerpiece. The water flows smoothly over each level, creating a soothing ambience. Enhance the area with potted ferns and hydrangeas to soften the space's formal symmetry. 2. Moorish-style tiles finish a wall fountain. A breathtaking backdrop is an ideal way to add beauty to a fountain. Here, hand-painted and glazed Mexican tiles cover the area in Moorish style. The water trickles softly into a semicircular pool finished with the same cobalt and yellow tiles. Add extra flair to your fountain with a fun accent piece, like this sunflower mounted on the tiles. Use blue tile in a water garden to make a small space feel larger, add a vibrant touch, and bring the colors of the water and sky into the landscaping. 3. Small fountains bring big character. Explore creative garden fountain ideas where small fountains transform your backyard into a relaxing oasis. The sound of running water produces a calming effect for guests while offering a visual treat. Here, well-worn bricks form a circular pattern around the fountain's base, making the blue-gray water feature the focal point. The cool hues fit in beautifully with the blooming plants surrounding the area. 4. Japanese-influenced concrete fountain. Fountains come in many different shapes and designs. This Japanese-influenced concrete fountain blends in beautifully with the stone-lined pond. The sheet of water that spills over the edge catches the sunlight while adding the soothing sound of running water. Supported by a central pedestal, water erupts from the center of the stone and then spills into the shallow pond below. Place your garden fountain in a sheltered spot to avoid water splashing in the wind, and ensure there's access to an electrical outlet if needed. 5. Victorian appeal for your fountain. Using a statue as a base is a creative backyard garden fountain idea that personalizes the design. This fountain boasts a weathered metal statue of a woman clinging to an ornate obelisk, giving the fountain a Victorian appeal. Terracotta pots filled with small leaf boxwood surround the round brick basin, create symmetry with a focused pattern, such as the many circles that make this design cohesive. 6. Traditional tiered spill fountain. Create charming appeal and add relaxing sounds in your garden with a traditional tiered fountain. The many plants surrounding this water feature make it the centerpiece. Lush foliage contributes to the cool scheme. 7. Concrete fountain to withstand the elements. Upgrade your outdoor space with garden fountain ideas to incorporate classic garden materials and shapes. Fountains made from concrete, such as this tiered variety, easily withstand the elements and can be found in many sizes to ensure that one will fit in your landscape. 8. Tabletop fountain. A tabletop fountain offers a delightful twist on the classic garden feature. Easily create one using a pot and spout. Imagine a little bronze frog prince releasing water into a cobalt blue pot. It's charming and easy to enhance with floating flowers in the basin. To prevent mosquitoes, ensure your fountain's water is always moving, as stagnant water can become a breeding ground for eggs. 9. Statue fountains for formal appeal. Statues can be an ideal starting point for a more formal appeal for your outdoor fountain. Water trickles over a cherub and into the basin below in this fountain. Add character to the landscape by surrounding the fountain with blooming plants and lush greenery. The fountain's soothing sounds and aesthetic appeal beckon visitors outside. 10. Asian-themed water fountain. Asian-themed fountains add a simple and appealing style to your landscape. This pedestal fountain features straight lines and a bubbler nozzle from which water falls into the two basins below. A fountain made of concrete ensures durability, while creating a beautiful focal point for your yard. In keeping with the theme, this fountain is surrounded by Asian-influenced plantings. Creating the outdoor retreat of your dreams doesn't have to be overwhelming, and adding a garden fountain is one of the most rewarding ways to elevate your landscape. From sleek contemporary water walls to timeless classic stone fountains, there is a design out there for every aesthetic and space requirement. With just a little planning and creativity, your garden can easily become your favorite sanctuary for relaxation, hosting, and unwinding after a long day. If you found these garden fountain ideas inspiring, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more weekly home and garden inspiration. Drop a comment down below to tell us which fountain style was your absolute favorite, and click the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching and happy decorating!